Upma. Let me taste this. Welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. I had been out to get some food for lunch, so I could not get good choice for having food outside. Again, same old biryanis, kebabs and all. So I just got some instant prepare stuff. Let me show you guys. So here is lemon rice, bisi vada bath, jeera rice, tomato rice, rasam rice, katta meeta poha, vegetable upma, semia upma, and at last one sweet I have got, kesri halwa. It's not Saturday as I eat only veg on Saturdays, but there is no other option for me. That's something instant mix I'll get in non-veg. So I have got South Indian authentic breakfast today. So this is lunchtime and I am eating something breakfast meals except rasam, rice. Let's start preparing soon and let's have it. It's already like 3:30. I'm a bit hungry. So I've got some instructions on this. So let me read this first, then start cooking out. So either you can put this whole packet in hot water for 5 minutes, or one more way is you can keep the packet in microwave. Everyone will be knowing, but at the same time, once again I repeated the same stuff, whatever has been written on this. So here is half bowl of water which I filled it. Let it get boiled up, then I'll put this packet in the hot water, then it will be prepared as per to the instruction in next 5 minutes. So first water has to get heated. So the water is boiling now. I'll put one packet. Oh god, I need a spoon. The pouch is completely gone inside, but still somewhere it's coming up. I'm trying to press with the spoon. Now it's completely fixed inside the water. This has to get cooked up for next 5 minutes as per the instructions. I hope this would have got cooked. However, the water was boiling very badly. So it's been 5 minutes. It's really very hot. Rasam rice is being cooked. So here is rasam rice. I kept lemon rice in the oven, so it needs to get cooked for 5 minutes. So tomato rice has been cooked. I'm just serving in the plate. It's really very hot. So here are 4 items. For this just need to add some water. This is sharp, like 100 ml of water. So need to mix after pouring water. Oh, this has become like a swimming pool. So first let's start with jeera rice. I hope this would have come good because I don't believe in instant food. Okay, let me try today. Rice has been cooked well. Okay, not so good. The oil is more. You people can see the rice is just getting separated. Okay, not good. Lemon rice. Tanginess is there. and no onions, nothing. And I can see 1 or 2 groundnuts in this. Oil is very less than pickle. See, just oil is like, bah. If I eat oil like this, no, done. This is tomato rice, ah? Oh yes, tomato rice. Compared to that both, I recommend this to eat. It's tasting good. When it's really emergency, you can have this, or else not recommended. Emergency in the sense, if you are not at all getting food, then you can have this, or else I don't recommend this to eat. But still, compared to that lemon rice and jeera rice, tomato rice is good. Bisi bede bath, my favorite. I can see some carrot, beans. Slightly coconut has been added. Coconut taste is filled. And even some tomatoes has been added. This is really good. I'll finish this later, not the 3. Then let me do inky pinky ponky. Rasam rice. Today everything is like carbs. Nothing is protein food over here. Everything is carbs. Salt is less. I need some pickle for this. I didn't like this. This is not at all tasting like a Assam rice at all. Reject. Upma. Let me taste this. Carrot pieces is there. Okay. Tasting like a proper upma. Just look at this. You can see some carrot pieces. Okay. You can have when it's emergency. Next. Poha. So when mom prepares poha, I don't eat at house. I've got instant poha mix. Katta and meeta. This is proper poha. Slightly raisins has been added. So good. And fennel seeds has been added in this. And even lemon. Tasting good. At last I'll tell you which is recommended to eat. Not all. Wow, this has become like a cake. Shaogye, right? Shaogye upma has been prepared, has become like a cake. So let me mix this first. Oh my god, they have added some cashews to me. Yes, in this onions has been added, coriander leaves, dry coriander leaves. Once you put water, it will become like a fresh coriander leaves. Okay, tasting good. This is good. Even poha and bisi bade bath, super. What is this, by the way? Kesri bath or kesri halwa? Okay, let us taste this. Elaichi flavor is being added in this. Sweetness is okay. Ghee is not being added. Kesri bath, it means ghee has to be added, but no ghee. For a person who is doing diet, for him this is good because no sweet at all. Okay, recommended dishes. Okay, you can try tomato bath, bisibale bath, shavge. Okay, then upma and this katta meeta poha. Only recommended 4 dishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Max 4. Not even this. This doesn't have ghee, so rejected. Very bad, man. Very bad. See, paying 85 rupees for rasam rice is really very bad. For 85 rupees, whole family can eat rasam rice at house. That too for 3 days. If you have 100 grams of tamarind and rest what curry leaves and all. And 1 tomato is more than enough for rasam. Very bad. No recommending rasam rice. And jeera rice though, forget. It's not at all like a jeera rice. Lemon rice, very bad. Very bad. From the time I started vlogging, this was the bad day where I'm eating all non-tasty food. Anyhow guys, I finished my lunch at last. I didn't like my lunch for the first time. Okay, some recommended foods are okay. Not all. Anyhow guys, it's time to end my vlog. Bye, take care and be safe. Dun, dun, dun.